What is up, everyone? This is FNH here with a brand new video to talk about Webull. So I'm going to be doing a very high level review of Webull. Essentially, this is a stock trading app in which you can purchase, buy and sell stocks for no commission. You don't have to pay anything at all to the brokerage, which is essentially, I guess, Webull or through someone, but you don't have to pay for anything. Overall, high level, this app is I like it because of the level of detail it has. If you're new, or let's say if you are a new broker or someone who's about to get into stock exchange and you want a new investor, I should say, and you want to get into the stock exchange and whatnot, I would not recommend Webull because I feel like it's a little bit more complex than the other apps just because of the level of detail it gives. It may be overwhelming at first. There's like all these different tabs. There's like community, there's markets, there's like the middle button that I didn't even know that was a button to begin with that looks like a bull's horns kind of, and all these different things, and it did throw me off as well. Again, I don't want to say a seasoned investor, but I'm fairly familiar with this. I do have invested before. I do have current investments in like different stocks and whatnot, funds and whatnot as well. So to me, it was like, okay, I can see why someone would get confused if they did look into these accounts and whatnot. But just to like go off of each tab on how it works, you have your watch list items where you can essentially watch the certain stocks that you either are invested in or you want to keep an eye out on so you can know when to purchase. You have the markets portion in which it shows you the whole world per se. You start off with the United States. Obviously, I'm unsure if this changes based off of where you are. Let's say you were in Britain or Japan. I'm unsure if it'll change. You have the cryptos portion, which is pretty cool. I like that they're adding this as well. A lot of brokerages are doing this. Robinhood does this. I believe you can purchase cryptos there. Unsure if you can purchase cryptos in this one. And then you have global to see like how the other world markets are currently doing. You can see Forex as well, so that's pretty cool. Again, unsure if you can purchase Forex or not. But one of the best features I like about this is the IPO Central. You can order some current IPOs that are about to go out, so you can literally get right off the bat. You can start in, and then it'll literally tell you. You can research the company like, yo, this sounds cool. I can see me being here long term, and boom, 5-10 years down the line, the stock could go up like 10, 20, 30 times its value when it initially went IPO. And again, without getting into too much detail, I will make a different video for that on how these works, what you can do, how to buy, how to sell, etc. The bull portion, this shows you where your portfolio is. You can see right now I have 2 positions. I technically have more, but I will get into why you don't see them right now. But I actually purchased ERF, just some stock I just wanted to test out after I did some initial deposit of $10. And BIOS is a free app that stock I got. But over here, you can see your account details, your performance, your orders, funds, quick trade deposit, stock transfer, and whatnot. You can see your open orders as well, if it was sold or not, or purchased or not, and your positions that you're currently in at this time. On the top right, you will see you have the chat and talk feature with the support team, which is pretty cool. I do really like that, and you can go from there. This is one of the interesting features that I don't see with Robinhood or the other apps, is the community feature where you can literally see streams, competition, top news, and watch lists. So in like the competition, you see you have like Webull paper trading competition. That's pretty cool, so you can do that for free. You have top news, which is just talking about like what's happening with the world, was there a tariff deal or a war, because these things do affect the stock market. And then the watch list, the items that you have listed, you want to see how they're doing, such as Apple. Oh, it could hit $2 trillion by end of 2021. If these estimates make sense, and a lot of analysts are saying buy, maybe I should. I can double my profit within 2 years. Pretty cool. I feel like those are very interesting things that this app can do. Now, the best thing to me for this app is as soon as you open the account, you get a free stock. So the first free stock I got, it was the one that you guys saw, the BIOS. I believe it's literally, you don't do anything. You just make an account, you get a free stock. The next free stock that you get is you literally deposit any amount. It could be a penny. I deposited $10. It could be a penny and you get a free stock. So I got this ISBC stock. I have no idea why I kept getting this, but I got that one. I literally just preferred 2 friends to do exactly the same thing. I gave them my link. And I'll leave that link in the description below, so if you guys can sign up with that, that'll be dope. But I gave them the link, they signed up, they got a stock right there and then they deposited a penny. Literally, they both deposited a penny, and I got a stock. So I got ISBC 3 times from 2 of my friends, and then the other friend, I got GE, which is pretty cool. I was like, oh, I actually got a different stock. The stocks can be valued from $1,200 to $1,400. So I believe at the time the stock was valued at 12. It may have dropped when I redeemed it per se, which is fine. I guess that makes sense. But I was like, yo, this is a pretty cool app. The other ones usually just give you 1 stock, and the same thing. They just say, oh, 14 or 5 to $1,000 or whatever. And so yeah, it can technically happen. So Like I said, they have the referral bonus, the deposits. They have promotionals as well. Like I got one that said, "Oh, deposit $500. You don't need to invest it, and you'll get 3 free stocks." So I was like, "Yo, that's pretty cool. I may actually do that. I may deposit 500, then pull it back, or if I need to invest, because I don't currently use this app. Like I said, I'm still trying to dive deep into it, and I want to make videos for you guys on that as well, like how to use it, what to buy, how to buy, paper trading, etc. This is where you can like learn how to basically become a good seasoned investor and whatnot." And like I said, smart news and all these different features. So yeah, man, this was like my high level review of Webull. Overall, I like it. I feel like you need to get used to it because there's like a lot happening within the app. There's no like really tutorial, I believe, like, at least that I saw. You just get like dive right into it. I feel like if you're a first ever time trader, go into Robinhood. It's much easier and simpler to use, which I will make a video as well for like 2020 how it is now, what you can do and whatnot. Same thing, buy and sell, etc. But yeah, this was it from my side. If you guys do sign up, please do use the link in the description below. I will get 2 free stocks, and so will you. So that will be very cool if you guys could do that. And I do let me know if you want me to talk about or discuss anything else in the comment section below. I'm more than happy to talk and go from there. So yeah, on that, FNH out. Peace, guys.